see what it looks like here. It's gonna be dinner for tomorrow because it's like 11:30 at night. Ooh, it's hot.
Hot, 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 hot.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Mmm, yummy.
That does smell really good. So, here's what you do now. You just grab these tongs real quick. Dude, these things are gonna fall right off the bone. I can just feel it. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Slipped out. All right, you gotta drain all this juice. You don't want that in there. And then you put them back in there. Throw some barbecue sauce on top. Stick them back in the oven for like 5 minutes. And you're gonna be in business. And what I'm using here is sugar-free barbecue sauce. This stuff's amazing. Sugar-free. 2 carbs. Basically a carb per tablespoon. So use sparingly. And yeah. Alright. I'm out of here. I'm gonna use it real sparingly in the bottom side because, well, not much meat on the bottom half of it. Oh man, look, it's about to break off the bone right here. I'm telling you, this is just super
cool.
Just super
Awesome.
Just super tender. When I say fall off the bone, watch, I'll show you. It's still pretty hot. I'm just gonna show you right here. Like, try to do it with one hand. Look at that.
Mmm, yummy.
Barely. When I say fall off the bone. Oh my god. Damn, it tastes so good. You can eat them just like this right now. But for me, I like to go ahead and put a glaze right on top. Let me see what this tastes like. Oh man. And man, that's good. Wow.
Oh my god! Wow!
I did a new blend of a rub that I made myself. Come on. Come on out.
Do it!
Alright, just gonna put a little bit on here. Not a whole lot.
A few moments later.
This bottle's about to hit it. I guess that's why. Anyways. Like shaking this thing forever. Okay. I think I pretty much canceled it out. So that right there. I'll rub it on. I think I have another jar. I'm just gonna get a little glaze on here. I have a new rub that I made, and man, is it good! Wow. I'm seriously thinking about like entering some kind of cook-off or something for this, because it's like exceptionally good. I'm not even BSing. I could eat them like this, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and stick them back in the oven for a little bit longer just to get that glaze taken care of. Not long, like 5 minutes. And that's basically it. Alright guys, see ya.